Okay, this review part A, I'm going to get going on the first page here. P.S. Everybody, you should have had 6.6. Do we have any question about that one? This is from 20.2 to here, and this one's 13.6, so you needed to subtract. Yep. No, I'm going to write down how. Okay, are we good with number 1 then? Number 2, find the value of m if m is between L and N. If you have L and N would be the endpoints, and M is somewhere between there. You don't know if it's right in the middle or not, so don't assume it. LM is 8A and MN is 7A, and then it says L to N is 75 feet, so that means that 8A plus 7A is 75. Okay, so you would add and then divide, and A is 7? 6, no. 5, yeah, 5 times that would be 525, yes, 5. All right, so then you go plug back in. L to M then would be 8 times 5, which is 40. And that would be in feet, because the labels were in feet. Anybody still need this? Okay, next 2. Now we're getting onto this picture. This is where I was trying to get people to get working and try to think about this, because I'm not going to help you on the final. So name the angle which is vertical to angle ABU. Well, it should be across from ABU, which would be TBE, angle TBE, or EBT. I don't care if you have the letters reversed, but B has to be in the middle. What angle is vertical to QBT? QBT is right here. The angle that would be vertical to it is UBC. Okay. Questions on that? Okay, number 4, now we're getting into where we do some equation solving. Find the measure of angle ABU that proves that angle ABU and QBA, which is right next to it, so that means it's this right here, are complementary if ABU is twice QBA. All right, QBA, let it be X. Then the other one is twice as big, so it could be written as 2 times that, 2X. Those 2 angles add up to are complementary, which means they add to 90. All right, so 2X plus X equals 90. And then 3X is 90. So you divide by 3 and find out X is 30. And then you plug that back in and do 2 times 30 to get angle ABU is 60. Okay. Does anybody need this page still? Just a minute. On this? Go ahead. Number 5, if QBT is 5X, wait, where's QBT? QBT, oh, that's going to be 90. So I already know 9X plus 54 equals 90. And the rest of this, it did say that QB is perpendicular to BT, which means there'd have to be a right angle there. Okay, when you solve this, subtracting 54, you get 36. 9X equals 36, so then you divide by 9 and get 4. Feel okay about that one now? Then number 6, sorry, we're still using this picture. ABQ is here, 5X minus 4. And then it says QBE, which is, oh, look, from QBE added to that would be what? 180. Okay, so 5X minus 4 plus 6X plus 8 is 180 degrees. Oops. And then we add 11X, and we do negative 4 plus 8 is plus 4. Okay, now we're ready to do the algebra steps. Subtract 4 from both sides. Divide by 11, and I think that's 16, isn't it? Okay, X is 16. All right, now plug back in for ABQ. You'd have to do 5 times 16 minus 4. And that's 80 minus 4, so it comes out to 76 degrees. Okay, everybody who needed to correct that, have that done? Or got it now? All right. Number 7, UBE, that's from here to here. And EBT, that's here, then can put together. They're adding up to 180 also, like the last one, because there's EBT, UBE, put together 180. So we do the same process as the last problem. Add the algebra stuff, set it equal to 180. Combine your like terms, 10x. Combine your 17 minus 8, that'd be plus 9. And we're going to get a decimal on this one. So we're going to subtract 9 from both sides. And then when we divide by 10, we're going to get 17.1. Okay, and then substituting back in 17.1 to find EBT would be 14 times 17.1 minus 8. 68.4 minus 8 would be 60.4. Okay, I'd like to set you up on number 8. We're not going anywhere yet. Find the value of x and y if TW, okay, we got to make sure you turn your page. All right, so I waited for that. Now, here we read this. It says TW bisects UV. The most common mistake is for people to say these are equal. It doesn't say that. It says TW cuts UV in half. So that means this is equal to this. You cannot assume it goes both ways. So to find y, we would do 3y minus 1 equals 2y plus 6. Okay, so solve that. Let's get your y's on one side. Y minus 1 is 6. Add 1 and you'll be done with that one. You get y is 7. Now, what we do with the other part is right here. To find x, we pay attention to the fact that it says t to w is 44. That's from here to here, which means you're going to add the segments. 3x minus 2 plus 2x plus 3, that equals 44. Combine your like terms. 5x, negative 2 plus 3 is plus 1, equals 44. Oh, did I do that all right? Did I copy everything down? Because we're going to get a funny answer, aren't we? Subtract 1. I think someone was thinking add 1. And they would have had x is 9. But this is going to be just a decimal. When we do 43 divided by 5, we get 8.6, right? Okay, make sure you have your review with you. You can work on it after you do the part of the final tomorrow. So bring it with you tomorrow. And don't forget, part B of the final we are taking tomorrow. We will work on the rest of this review on Friday and after the quiz or test tomorrow.